Guys, this is PYT 33223 Donruss Optic International Hobby. Let's get to it. Good luck, everybody. 20 packs, 4 cards per pack. We're going to have the 2 red stars parallels per box on average. And autos are possible, so are downtowns. Not guaranteed. Here we go. Pack number 1. Dalton Schultz, Tyler Lacey, Chain Reactions, Justin Jefferson, Cooper Kupp. Phoenix Football Hobby PYT 330 is up next. Then we have Photogenic Hobby, both 2024 breaks, PYT 329. And then 338, our 25 Bowman Hobby, is the last of the night. J.C. Horn, Aaron Donald, Tyson Bagent, and Brock Purdy. Tony Baselli, Dalton Connect. Warren Sapp on the Retro Series. We have Kirk Cousins. Joe Mixon, our first Red Stars parallel. That is Puka Nacua, rated rookie. Puka Nacua Red Stars. Nice hit for the Rams. We have Bryce Young and Chad Ryland. Anquan Bolden. Play action of Lamar Jackson. Play action Hall. Drew Sanders. Hardy Nickerson. Josh Allen. Light It Up Trevor Lawrence. Tank Dell. Debo Samuel. Next pack. Ickey Woods. Keaton Mitchell. Patrick Mahomes on Chain Reactions. TJ Hawkinson. Grab your spots, guys, in the last breaks of the night. We got 3 more after this one. Hunter Winfrow. Ickey Woods is currently our guest of the break. Josh Allen and Garrett Williams. John Elway, Darrell Revis, Trey Tucker, Breece Hall. Jonathan Ogden, Quentin Johnston, Demario Douglas, Cam Akers. Andre Johnson, Best Tutties. Got Jalen Hurts, A.J. Brown, Tariq Stevenson, Brandon Ayuk. Drake London, Hendon Hooker, Bijan Robinson, Tyrone Matthew. Jordan Love, Josh Jacobs on the My House. Joey Porter Jr., Montez Sweat. Derek Hall, Roshan on the Hollow rated rookie. CJ Stroud, rookie recruits. DeAndre Swift. Brian Burns. Octavian Wicks, Joe Klecko on the retro. Matthew Stafford. Last 5 packs, 4 left after this one. Charlie Jones. Micah Parsons Hollow. And potential Quentin Johnston. Justin Jefferson. Got Chuba. Tommy DeVito. Jalen Hurts, my house. Chris Godwin. Last 3 packs coming up. 24 Phoenix footballs up next. Then we have Photogenic, and then we have Bowman Baseball. Tony Romo. Tyree Wilson. Sean Clifford. Taysom Hill. Desmond Ritter. Sam Laporta. Jaden Reed. Diamond Hands. Jahan Dotson. And our final pack of this break. Jair Alexander, lighted up at CJ Stroud, Emmanuel Forbes, and Brian Dawkins. We got this stackable top load before we ship. Got our Icky Woods was the guest of the break. He was the final Red Stars parallel. We also hit the Puka Nakua Red Stars was the hit of the break. Icky Woods was the guest of the break. The last of the Red Stars parallels. Oh man, I forgot to update the title of this one. Not that it matters now, but I'll throw it up there. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. I'm going to update the title for the next breaks. Get our list updated as well. It's PYT 332, our Donruss Optic International Hobby. Phoenix football is up next. Get that list updated here. All right, we are full on this one. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto in this one for 20 in credit. Pull this list up here. Good luck to everybody in this one.